top tools out there for maximizing your content creation, skyrocketing your YouTube views, and ultimately enhancing productivity. With the ever-growing trend of artificial intelligence, we are diving into the heart of the matter. So let's jump in and break them down. The first tool on our list is GetMunch. What's that, you ask? It's a game-changing AI tool that transforms your long-form videos into sleek, vertical videos, all based on targeted keywords. What sets GetMunch apart is its ability to analyze YouTube competition and identify high or low competition keywords, then create clips accordingly. Imagine taking a 30-minute to an hour-long video and generating 10 to 15 distinct clips, or tuning a 2 to 5 minute video into 3 or 4 unique segments. Plus, it provides subtitles and ready-to-use captions for social media platforms. With GetMunch, you can effortlessly share your content on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and more, leaving your audience wondering how you manage to create such captivating, polished videos with ease. Number 2 on our list is ChatGPT. You may have heard about it, but how can you make the most of it? Well, you can use it for various purposes, such as generating Instagram captions, YouTube video descriptions, and more. You simply provide the topic and ChatGPT gives you a solid foundation. One important tip, don't just copy and paste its output. Add your own flavor and voice to make it uniquely yours. ChatGPT is also great for video scripts, research, and answering questions on a variety of topics. As it evolves through user interaction, the AI becomes increasingly adept at responding like a human. To get the best results, master the art of crafting prompts. Ask ChatGPT to act as a real estate expert, a parenting guru, or any other role relevant to your needs. Remember, ChatGPT provides the raw material, but it's up to you to add your personal touch. While AI tools are not yet perfect, they are incredibly efficient and can save you a lot of time, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Number 3 on the list is Vidyo AI, spelled as Vidyo AI. Similar to GetMunch, it takes your long-form videos and generates short-form clips. What sets Vidyo AI apart is its range of customizable templates, allowing you to add unique frames, include your social media handles, and more. The AI in the Vidyo AI based on keywords, selecting the most engaging clips for your audience. I tried it out the other day with a video podcast, and the free version allowed me to export nearly an hour of content in 720p. If you opt for the paid version, you can export in 1080p. The real magic lies in the AI's ability to intelligently identify captivating moments within your content, as if a skilled human editor were at the helm. So if you're looking for an AI-driven tool that does the heavy lifting for you, Vidyo AI is definitely worth checking out. Number 4 on our list is CapCut. This versatile video editing tool offers a wide range of features, making it perfect for enhancing your content. From dynamic captions and transitions to titles and video formatting, CapCut has you covered. What sets CapCut apart is its trendy caption styles, such as highlighting active words reminiscent of karaoke, which catches viewers' attention. If that specific style isn't for you, don't worry. CapCut offers a variety of other caption options to suit your preferences. The free version is already packed with features, so you may not even need to upgrade it. However, if you are interested in unlocking additional capabilities, CapCut does offer a paid version, so if you are looking to add some extra flair to your videos, CapCut might be just the tool you need. Number 5 is the Captions app, which offers more than just captions. It uses AI to help you create video scripts right within the app, as well as integrate a teleprompter for seamless recording. Once your script is ready, you can either record it in the app or use other platforms like Instagram or TikTok. The Captions app will send you notifications to guide you on what to say while using these other apps. One of its most innovative features is its ability to maintain eye contact with the viewer. Even if you are reading from somewhere else, this seemingly small detail significantly improves viewer engagement and average view duration. It addresses a common mistake people make while recording, looking at the selfie screen instead of the lens itself. With the Captions app, you can effortlessly read a script and maintain eye contact with your audience. Without needing a fancy teleprompter, it's a true game changer in the world of video content creation. Number 6 is YouTube Summary via ChatGPT, a powerful Chrome extension that you can use for podcast research and more. With this tool, you can take any YouTube video, press a button, and have ChatGPT create a summary for you, whether it's a 5-minute video or a 3-hour-long one. Once you have the summary, you can continue using ChatGPT to extract the best code, generate ideas for YouTube community posts, or any other content needs. All you have to do is to add your personal touch to make it your own. This YouTube summary tool combined with ChatGPT is a game changer for content creators everywhere. Number 7 is Midjourney, an AI-powered tool for creating stunning graphics. This innovative platform is responsible for many of the intricate, eye-catching AI-generated art pieces you may have seen. Midjourney is integrated with Discord, and all you need to do is type a prompt using the /imagine command. For example, you could describe a scene with a line in the streets of New York wearing a hoodie, and Midjourney will generate 4 different options based on your description. To get the best results, be as detailed as possible. Mention colors, resolution, and specific styles. When it comes to usage rights, the paid version of Midjourney includes a policy that allows you to monetize the generated artwork. This means you can use the AI-created images on merchandise, posters, and across your social media platforms. With Midjourney, you can bring your wildest imaginations to life and use them to elevate your content and brand. Number 8 is Megaphone, a powerful podcast distribution tool that part of Spotify. Megaphone allows you to distribute your audio content across multiple platforms such as Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, and Spotify. But it doesn't stop there. Megaphone also enables you to create a private podcast catered to your community. With this feature, you can produce exclusive content like an after show, which will still be available on major platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcast. Megaphone even helps you monetize your podcast by offering different options for your listeners. While Megaphone isn't free, its pricing is based on the number of downloads, making it an attractive option for podcasters looking to reach a wider audience and enhance their content offerings. Number 9 features 2 productivity tools, Notion and MEM AI. Notion serves as my second brain when it comes to content creation. It houses everything from to-do lists and content calendars to video scripts and content performance database. Notion is a versatile drag-and-drop platform that enables me to visualize my work through images and graphs. It's available on mobile, computer, and iPad, making it perfect for users who value simplicity. MEM AI is another productivity tool that I'm using alongside Notion. MEM AI helps users stay organized by automatically sorting and arranging their notes and ideas. As someone who isn't naturally organized and tends to be spontaneous, MEM AI takes the hassle out of organizing my Apple Notes and other scattered pieces of information. With AI-driven organization, MEM AI simplifies the process and keeps everything in order. Number 10 is Elegant Labs, an incredible voice cloning tool that might seem a little scary at first. Imagine Leonardo DiCaprio speaking as a concerned citizen about climate change. This tool can make it happen.
Not as an expert, but as a concerned citizen.
One of the 400,000 people who marched in the streets of New York on Sunday.
And the billions of others around the world who want to solve our climate crisis.
It's perfect for people who don't want to do voiceovers or might not like their own voice. You simply send a minute-long sample of your voice, type whatever you want, and the AI generates the speech in your style. While it's not flawless, it's one of the best voice cloning tools out there. You can use Element Labs for various purposes, like podcast ads, voiceovers, and even narrating your own ebook. It's a convenient solution for those who might not have a microphone or be in a suitable recording environment. Just type your text, download the generated audio, and use it wherever you need. To wrap up, we have covered 10 powerful AI tools that can help you create engaging content, boost productivity, and more. To follow my work and explore these tools further, you can find me on Twitter and all major platforms. Please let me know in the comment section which tools you are using, and do not forget to hit like to this video if you find it interesting and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Bye bye.